Hello mga palangga. Racklyn, may give love shout out. Good evening din sa'yo. Ayan guys, mag-e-end na ako ha. Salamat sa mga suportan nyo guys. Maraming. Ayan. May love shout out Project 89. Salamat sa iyong pagdaan, Kahabaga TV. Maraming salamat. Eds Hernandez Channel, Miguel of Shoutout, Rich 2M, Rencar Mix Vlog, Mommy Rainbow Cooking, Simply My Loves, Senior Citizen Lucy TV, Libra Mix Vlog, Inday Maldita, Mazam, Lerm Steve Vlog, Jenny Mix Vlog 23, Edmond Balsi, Edmond Juarez, Edmond Halina. O, ang dami mong kapatid. Salamat ng marami sa pagdaan. Jean, Hazel Ocumentim, Mariket, Nes Darumancos, Miguel of Shoutout. Thank you so much. Jolie Travel Vlogs, Show 4 TV, Miguel of Shoutout. Noli Ramos Mix Vlog, Lara Perez Vlog, Macy Mix Vlog, Nora Light, Pokemon Go Charizard, Berto Window. Miguel of Shoutout. Thank you so much sa pagstay mo dyan. Papa Zalds TV, Apple Fruit, Newsing 14 TV, Nald Ciclista. Miguel of Shoutout. Thank you so much, my friend. Ayan. Nayana, thank you so much. Susana Adornado, Ryan 222 Graft. Mami Irie, Miguel of Shoutout. Archel Buen Consejo. There you go. Nabubulo lagi. Paring Moises, Manang MJ, Modi Rosales, RZR, Lower TV, Jinxky, Lows of Expedition, Liza's World, Ems Joe, Janet 25, Berto 88, Boss Art Official, Daryl Rabu, Khaleds Andiana Adventure, JC is over, Makaila Parpan Vader, Amigo Alhads, Jamralia, Reyna Serrano, Yorilin Antonio, Miguel of Shoutout, Racklyn TV. Thank you so much. Jenny Sabado, Kasuerte, Mac RTV, KitKat Co, Zander Channel, Marites Kawamura, Ann TV, Leticia Luperte, Gina GCCTV, Mali Parilla, Summer Girl in New York, Beautiful Life, Sunrise Pilipinas, Susana Morihon, Mama Leonora, Marites Umblas, Raf and Yeda's Vlog. Ayan guys, sa lahat-lahat ng mga dumaan at hindi ko nasulat, hindi ko na Miguel of Shoutout, thank you so much sa love and support ninyo sa JcLyonUSA. God bless everyone. Kung nasan man kayo, stay warm kasi ako nilalamig dito. Oo guys, see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Take care everyone. God bless everyone. Stay happy and healthy. Stay safe everyone. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.